Hi friends, welcome to this exam tip series. And in this tip series, I am covering all the important tips by which you can definitely upgrade your score. So if you want to upgrade your score, please watch this entire exams tip series. And now this is tip number 3 going on. In case if you have not watched tip number 1 or tip number 2, please watch it. I have already tagged in that I section over there. So let's begin. What is this tip number 3? Here I have written already. Tip number 3 is attempt all questions. Now please do not misunderstand this word all. All means, say suppose there are 11 sub questions you have to attempt. Then I don't mean all means that all 11 questions. I mean something else. So let me explain to you, or let me reveal the secret of this video. See, say suppose if we have started solving question number 1. So in question number 1, say we have 3 subparts, A, B and say C. And generally people finish it off their A properly, in B properly, and then C properly. Then they start with 2, question number 2. In question number 2, there might be subpart number 1, subpart number 2 and subpart number 3. So generally what happens, student, whenever you start this 2A, you do this 2A subpart number 1, you do this 2 subpart number 2. But sometimes whenever we are rushing to our paper, we tend to miss these questions. And now student, hopefully you understand the mark scheme. This is 2A, definitely for 3 marks, and in this 3 marks question, this would be for 1 mark, this would be for 1 mark, so this would be definitely 1 mark, which you put on toss. I hope you understand. That means you lose out your 1 mark, in short. So don't be in hurry. Make sure that you attempt, suppose if you are attempting 2A, you attempt all the subparts given in that particular question. That I mean all questions. Number 2, this is one type of error. Then generally some people do 2A, 2B, and then some other way they skip out this 2C entire question. In hurry, they directly skip to question number 3 and then they start with question number 3A. So as a result, what happened over here, student? You lose out your straight 4 marks. So generally like this way, if you'll see in your examination overall, people lose out say generally 7 to 8 marks like this way. They do not see the question itself. And or sometimes in particular question there is no subpart 1, 2 and 3, but then there would be asked calculate the amount and compound interest. So people calculate amount but they forget to calculate the compound interest, or people calculate the compound interest but then they do not write that amount in the box. I hope you are understanding, student. So hopefully you understood. In case if you want example, I'll give the example. Look at this. This is our question paper. Say in this question paper, say question number 2, there are 3 subparts, 1, 2, 3. So you miss out this 3, so you lose out your 1 mark. In question number 2A, 2B, 2C, suppose if you skip these 2C questions, the entire question carries 4 marks. So you lose out your 4 marks. So some other way, people forget like this way to do some parts. Some people are very tragic. They forget to turn the paper or flip the paper, so they miss out that entire backside. Say question number 3 and question number 4 goes on toss. So this is how attempt all the questions, or else do not skip the questions. I hope you like this tip. Attempt all the questions, and in case if you have not understood, definitely student you can put the comment in the comment box, but make sure that you see all the tips on these examinations, and all the best. So let's sign off today. Thank you for watching Easy ICSE channel. So keep watching it, the entire series. Bye.